ABB8, go forward.
If you're a human being, you've probably found yourself on a train, walking somewhere, riding a bike someplace, or traveling. But no matter what your situation is, when you're on the go, you've always encountered the same dilemma. Which device should I charge first? Electronic devices are great, but we always seem to lack enough power outlets to satisfy today's charging demands. We here at Moss have found the answer to life's greatest question. We give you the Moss Pack, the perfect solution to charge your devices on the go. At first, it just looks like an amazingly beautiful backpack, but once you get to know her, you'll realize that what's inside is what really counts. Here at Moss, we've always strived to solve problems of cable management. So we have these channels on the sides that you can route your wires down and plug them into the Moss Reach, which is one of the biggest features that makes the Moss Pack different than any other backpack. The Moss Reach is stored at the bottom. You can plug in a laptop and 2 USB devices. The magnets inside the Reach attach to the metal plates sewn in at the bottom of the backpack to keep it in place. The cable for the Reach is stored in this side pocket. That way you can quickly plug it in as soon as you reach a power outlet and let your devices charge inside without ever having to take them out. With the 2 USB ports and power outlet on the Reach, you have enough ports to charge all your devices at the same time while you sit back and relax. Then, when it's time to go, you simply unplug it and leave. You've probably seen battery backpacks before, but the truth is most of the time they're way overpriced and they come with heavy, bulky batteries, making them very inconvenient for everyday use. That's why, instead of having a heavy battery, the Moss Pack has a special spot where you can use your favorite power bank, such as the Moss Go power bank, which should be available soon. The laptop pocket can fit a 15-inch laptop, and the tablet pocket can fit most standard tablets. The front vertical zipper is meant to house anything that's 9 inches long, like a boarding pass. The next pocket has a couple different pen slots and other compartments that can fit things like your keys or wallet. This next pocket is surprisingly large. It can fit a typical binder or two. This pocket was designed for your passport, and you can also store your phone or wallet in this next ribbed pocket. The top pocket is actually designed especially for sunglasses. It's lined with microfiber fleece and cushioning on both sides to make sure your sunglasses are protected. To make sure this backpack has a sleek design, we put the water bottle pocket on the inside. It has an elastic pocket on the inside for support, and it's completely waterproof to keep your devices safe in case of a water leak. The built-in magnets on the straps conveniently hold your earbuds whenever you need them to.
Introducing Canary Flex, the wire-free, weatherproof HD camera that takes security to unimaginable places. Beautiful inside or outside. On sunny days or braving the elements. Plugged in or wire-free. In the middle of the night or the middle of a story. Seeing what's up or down. Catching furry little criminals. Or watching your new vase being delivered. Working alone or as part of a family. For here, down here, up here, here, or there, under here, up here, there, or even in here. You know, with the valuables, for a million different things, engineered into one beautifully designed package. Canary Flex, the inside or outside, plugged in or wire-free, weatherproof HD security camera. Canary, live life in the know.
The sound of life isn't a single track. It's a mix. A combination of what you choose to play and what's around you. It's awareness mixed with attitude. Countryside mixed with connection. Perseverance mixed with presence. Introducing Trex Titanium. Revolutionary sport headphones with a completely open-ear design. Built to deliver situational awareness, comfort, and an exceptional audio experience. With bone conduction technology, mini vibrations travel through your cheekbones directly to the inner ears, delivering dynamic stereo sound without covering or blocking them. The backbone of Trex lightweight design is a sweat-resistant titanium frame, an element chosen for its strength, durability, and flexibility, and is the key to its universal secure fit. These wireless open-ear headphones prioritize your safety, ensuring you're always aware of surroundings. Finally, a headphone experience where all the layers of your world, from your music to your moments, come together.
The Gunbox 2.0 is the ultimate in quickly accessible handgun storage, safely concealing your firearm in plain sight, yet readily available in case you need it. The 2.0's cutting-edge technology and innovative safety features provide the peace of mind and confidence to store your handgun on a nightstand, desk, countertop, or anywhere you might need fast access. Choose from 6 appealing colors that are sure to match any taste of decor. Made of 4mm die-cast aluminum and weighing just over 4.5 pounds, 2.0 is roomy enough to easily hold most duty-sized handguns. With the simple touch of a finger, wave of a key card or fob, or tap of a finger via the smartphone app, its automatic lid opens smoothly in seconds. As an added security feature, 2.0 is equipped with an audible motion and tamper alarm that emits a loud noise if your box is bumped or moved. 2.0 comes pre-drilled and ready to mount anywhere in any orientation, or you can secure it wherever you need it with the tether cable. Our new smartphone app makes setting up fingerprint recognition and additional access keys a breeze, and also allows you to adjust fingerprint sensitivity, volume and tone of the audible alarm, timeout duration on the interior light, and other settings quick and easy. 2.0 also features 2 USB ports, great for charging your phone or other electronic devices. 2.0's cutting-edge design and sleek lines not only make it a great addition to any space, but it is the perfect reason to bring your handgun out of the basement safe and into a secure and accessible new home. Learn more at thegunbox.com.
This is Leah. 2 minutes and she's out. But you've been trying for 2 hours. I'm sure you've tried every trick in the book. Like trying to stop thinking. Stop crap. I thought. Or trying to relax. Oh! It's not that these techniques are useless. In fact, they're actually pretty good. Unfortunately, you probably had more important things to learn at school. This here is Hishram. Relaxing fast is his thing. Just look. He focuses on his breathing, and he progressively slows it down. And by slowing his breathing all the way down to about 6 breaths a minute, he stimulates the baroflex, a physiological mechanism that allows him to become completely calm in just a few minutes. And when it comes to not thinking, he's pretty good at that too. He can concentrate on his breathing for a really long time and remain undistracted by buzzing thoughts. But you are not Hishram. Even in bed, you struggle to focus on your breath for more than 20 seconds at a time. Actually, your attention span is probably more like Bob's than Hishram's. That's why we've designed Dodo. It helps you fall asleep by making you almost as chill as Hishram. I'll have one of those. You synchronize your breathing with the light projected on the ceiling. By focusing on something outside your own head, you'll pay less attention to the thoughts that are keeping you awake. At the same time, just like a metronome, Dodo helps slow down your breathing from 11 to 6 breaths a minute, which helps relieve your anxiety. And so, in less than 8 minutes, you'll find yourself ready to doze off. Dodo won't turn you into a Buddhist monk, but it will help you fall asleep faster. And that's probably all you need.
As a parent, how do you help your children develop important skills that prepare them for the future? Meet Dash and Dot. Fun, easy-to-use, interactive robots that teach kids about programming with hands-on play. Dash and Dot are ready to play right out of the box and can be programmed with our free apps for your phone or tablet. Kids start learning right away with an easy-to-follow tutorial and hundreds of preloaded missions. Dot can be programmed on its own as a quirky magic dot ball.
I'm gonna go with maybe.
Or a hot potato. Dash can do even more. He can dance, race around the house, respond to objects and sounds, and record your child's voice for a fun surprise.
Watch out, Mom, I'm coming through.
Dash and Dot will fuel your child's natural curiosity. They'll love programming new adventures for their robot sidekicks. They can play hide and seek, set up challenging courses, or go head-to-head for a thrilling race. You'll be surprised at their creativity and innovation. With lots of great add-on accessories for your Dash or Dot, there are endless ways for your child to explore and problem solve, all while having fun. Wonder Workshop robots and apps are designed to grow with your child, allowing them to apply what they've learned and expand their capabilities.
Are you serious?
Wonder Workshop, inspiring the brightest minds of tomorrow.
Okay.
Here's a list of stuff from kinda magical to unbelievably magical. Body wash that's also shampoo. Mentos and cola. Things that fly. With your help, the magical is about to get magical-er. Meet Shai, a pilot, an industrial designer, and an inventor. He loves things that fly. He once tried to turn his car into an airplane. No success. Shai always said that his dream was to bring the joy of flight to everyone. A few years ago, he made a breakthrough in the field of cool stuff that flies. He invented the Power Up, the first electric paper airplane. But then a friend of Shai's told him, "Nice gadget, really, but you can't make a remote-controlled paper airplane. Shai took a moment to think and said, "Challenge accepted." 2 years of research and 57 prototypes later, he made it happen. Meet Shai's unbelievably magical invention, Power Up 3, the first ever smartphone-controlled paper airplane. Using state-of-the-art technology, Power Up 3 turns your embarrassing paper plane into a lean, mean flying machine. Just fold a piece of copy paper into a plane, attach Power Up 3 and install the app. Now call your mom and tell her you're a pilot, cause it works out of the box. In the back of the module are a propeller and a rudder that are in charge of controlling the plane. In the front there's an advanced chip with powerful Bluetooth smart technology for an amazing 60 yards of controlled flight and a tiny rechargeable battery to power this amazing beast. Out of juice? Charge the battery with any micro USB cable. As Shai learned in his career as a pilot, planes should be built for flying and for crashing. That's why all components of the Power Up 3 are super durable and crash-proof. But here's where Shai made it really cool. Power Up 3's smart chip is programmed to optimize user happiness. You don't need a PhD in aeronautics to be able to fly it. The prototype is fully functional and the super ultra magical Power Up 3 is ready for production. This is where Shai needs your magic beans. If you help Shai get to 1,400 backers, you'll help him bring the joy of flight to everyone and obtain the privilege to look down on regular paper planes for the rest of your life. So back Power Up 3 and help make the magical, magical-er.